Hi, everyone. Welcome to another episode of Tech and Us. I'm Alex.
And I'm Sarah. Today, we're talking about something that's in everyone's pocket, but we rarely think about it: artificial intelligence.
You know, Sarah, when I think of AI, I used to think of robots taking over the world. But now, it's just how I find my way home using Google Maps.
Exactly. It's not about robots anymore. It's about the software that's making our lives easier and sometimes a bit more complicated. Let's look at a normal day. You wake up, and the first thing you do is look at your phone, right?
Guilty as charged. I check my notifications immediately.
Well, AI decided which notifications you see first. From your social media feed to the music Spotify suggests for your morning workout. That's all AI algorithms learning about you.
It feels like the phone knows me better than I know myself sometimes. But don't you think it makes us a bit lazy? We don't have to search for anything anymore. It's all just handed to us.
It's a double-edged sword, Alex. It saves time, but it also puts us in a bubble. We only see what we like, and we stop seeing different points of view.
Let's talk about work. I've started using AI to help me write emails and even brainstorm ideas for this podcast. It's like having a super fast assistant.
I agree. In my field, we use AI for photo editing and data analysis. Tasks that used to take 5 hours now take 5 seconds.
But Sarah, what about the big fear? Are people going to lose their jobs?
That's the big question. History shows that technology usually creates new jobs while replacing old ones. I think the key isn't to fight AI, but to learn how to use it. If you know how to work with AI, you become much more valuable.
So, it's not human versus AI, it's human plus AI.
Precisely. But we still have to be careful. AI can make mistakes, big ones. We can't just trust it blindly.
Where do you see this in 5 years? Are we going to have AI doctors or AI teachers?
We already do, in a way. AI is helping doctors find diseases much faster than before. In education, AI can create a custom lesson plan for every single student. That's the positive side.
And the negative side?
Privacy. Everything we tell an AI is stored somewhere. We have to ask ourselves, who owns our data and how are they using it to influence us?
That's a deep thought. It means we need to be more digitally literate than ever before.
Definitely. So, my advice to the listeners: don't be afraid of the tech, but stay curious and ask questions.
Well said, Sarah. That's all the time we have for today. Thank you for joining us on Tech and Us.
Thanks for having me, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you enjoyed this conversation.
See you in the next episode. Bye.